Hi guys, good morning. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today is on Friday morning and I'm waking up. I've had breakfast. Now I want to shower and go because today we are going to be having a vlog. I know you guys have missed vlogs, so we are going to be having a vlog, a few days in the life vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Watch until the end and also make sure you subscribe, like and share. So oh my god, I look like, see my hair guys. I'm supposed to make it tomorrow. Funny enough guys, I've been making my own hair at home for like a month now, but I make a rangi difference because I retouch my hair and then boom, it shall be in a week's time. But I decided to try because my hair generally huchapa haraka, like it grows so fast, so unapata huku after retouch bado inakaa weird. So I just decided to try and do it at home to see whether I'm going to be able to do it for at least 2 months. Ikibako turudi to salon because kuna otherwise. So guys, let me get in the shower, prepare, and then I'll talk to you when I'm leaving the house so that we can start this vlog. So guys, I'm ready. Nishaoga, I've prepared and everything. I'm about to leave the house. So after this, I'm going to the studio to leave my makeup there because I have a client, and then I'm going to meet up with my sister. I'm having a meeting with somebody. So yeah, I'm going to try and take you along everything that I do today. I hope nitaweza because the kind of mizigo niko nazo ni mob, but I'll try my best. So guys, let's go. Hi guys, so finally nimefika kwa studio. I'm waiting for my client, so I'm going to show you around this studio because you guys, pictures, quality, everything, like this is the baddest photographer in Thika by the way, and I'm not even kidding you. So let me show you around. You can check his IG page at Click Studios. I will link him down here somewhere so that you guys can check. Lakini hey, pictures nazo wasesemeni tu picture. If you're looking for a photographer ama you have a photo shoot, kindly kuja hapa. You will know I'm not even lying because this place, hey, ama even hata sijui kama nitainsertia kapicha hapa so that you guys can see. But let me show you around the studio, and also I'm going to link him down here so that you can go check his IG page and see his pictures, his quality, his props, everything. And actually he's just a nice person, so you guys utapenda. In case you're in Thika ama outside Thika and you're looking for a photographer, hit him up on his DM. Utapenda guys. So let me show you the studio. the quality. Ooh. So guys, Mash Clicks Photography is located in Thika Town, South Haven Plaza, 4th floor, room number 406, along Uhuru Street, next to Best Lady. So kama unajua Thika na unajua ile Best Lady ya Thika, ile yenye inaitangwa Best Lady huko chini, not ya Society, not ya Arcade, hingine huko chini, next to it hapo ndo South Haven Plaza, huko ndo Mash Clicks Photography wako located. So guys, go check them out, okay? So guys, now I'm leaving the studio. I'm going to meet my sister at AR because I need to see her. She's coming here for some businesses, lakini hatujapatana for some time, so I want to go say hi to her and think whether I'm going to spend the night at her place. Like mimi nakwenda kwa sister yangu, but we're family, so yeah. So guys, we're done with the makeup. Watu wana prepare nini, all that stuff to do a photo shoot. So guys, we're done with the makeup. I'm tired. So guys, I'm done and I'm finally home. I'm so tired. I went to my sister's place today because nilikuwa nimewamiss, but unfortunately my niece is asleep and I feel so bad. But I'm excited because it's been so long since I was here. So our vlog is ending here. I was supposed to do a few days in the life, but I realized that today was quite busy. So I can't like do another day because the video is going to be too long. So I'll go try and film tomorrow and Sunday because I still have plans. But for this video, we've come to the end. Thank you so much guys for watching, for subscribing, for sharing, for commenting. Oh my god, you guys are the best. So I am tired. I don't understand mingi. But if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. And I'm not naked. Nimeva manguo. So if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, the red one hapo, and then hit the bell, and also give this video a thumbs up because it supports my channel. Until next time, bye bye and work towards your dreams. Mwah.